Hello! In this video, we will create the first design for an interactive board using Power BI Desktop. After entering the necessary data for the interactive boards, let's start with the first design. So, as we have mentioned in the previous lectures, the visualization menu is where we can create or drag diagrams into our workspace. You can choose any chart to start to add it to your layout. So let's pick the clustered bar chart for an example. To add it, I will do one left click with my mouse, and it will appear as an empty window in our layout. And of course, you can hold and drag it. Also, it can be enlarged or shrinked as needed and as any other window. Now, in visualization, we have some data fields where we can add our data to start visualization process, such as axis, legend, value, and other fields used for visualization. So let's talk about the commonly used data fields, which are axis and values. As an example here, we need to create a chart that clarifies the relation between employees' departure time against the numbers of employees. So we put departure on the axis field and employees number on the field of values. Once the data is correctly added to fields, the visualization will take place. And as you can see here, we have our first chart designed in our interactive board. And you can replace the data in axis or value by dragging it from the inserted data. That was it for this video, so let's go ahead and move to the next one. Thank you for watching.